Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem that users face when trying to call a Python module from MATLAB. The error message, error using numpy_ops init think.backends.numpy_ops, can be frustrating to deal with, but fear not, as we have a solution at hand. In this video, we'll discuss the solution to the problem at hand. The key to resolving the issue lies in pinning down the NumPy version to one that is compatible with the current setup. By specifying numpy 1.264 in your requirements, or in the pip command used for installation, you ensure that the pandas dependency aligns with a compatible NumPy version, thus avoiding any conflicts or errors down the line. This simple adjustment can save you a lot of headache and frustration in the long run. To sum it up, by specifying the NumPy version as numpy == 1.26.4, you can resolve the numpy.dtype size compatibility issue when calling a Python module from MATLAB. Remember, a little tweak in the version can go a long way in ensuring smooth interoperability between different components of your setup. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knows, maybe your next MATLAB Python integration will be joke-free.